Alright, today we're going to do a video of a Mori Seiki Zl-150Smc. It was new in 2002. The machine has an MSC 501 control, 12 position upper and lower turrets. You have a C-axis on both the main and the sub-spindle, live tooling on both turrets, parts catcher, conveyor, coolant system. The machine also has a bar feed. The main spindle is running right now at 800 RPM. That's 1900 RPM. Nice and quiet. That's 2500 RPM. Stop. Switch over. You have a C-axis on the main spindle. See there. Both directions. You have your Z-axis on your upper turret. We'll start our live tooling now, up on the turret. That's 300 RPM on the live tooling. That's 1000. That's 2000 RPM. Now we'll switch over to your lower turret. That's your live tooling on your lower turret. Again, about 300 RPM. That's about 1000 RPM. That's about 2000 RPM. We'll index the upper turret. We'll index our lower turret. You have your Z on your lower turret. X. You have also your X on the upper turret. Then you can run the back spindle. Let's turn the speed down. That's 1000 RPM on the back spindle. That's 1500. That's 2000. That's 2500. That also has a C-axis. See there. Have your B-axis. All right, that basically does it. Thank you for watching our video.